Tomorrow belongs to people who are prepared today. Welcome to Sri Sharda Group of Institutions, Lucknow, awarded with Best B School of Uttar Pradesh by Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Dr. Dinesh Sharma and Law Minister Mr. Brijesh Pathak.
श्री शारदा ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशन को उत्तर प्रदेश के बेस्ट मैनेजमेंट कॉलेज के अवार्ड से नवाजा गया है। हम आपसे अनुरोध करते हैं, मंच पर बल्कि आ भी गए हैं, बिल्कुल डॉक्टर दिनेश शर्मा जी और कानून मंत्री उन्हें सम्मानित कर भी रहे हैं।
We aim to shape our students into globally competitive managers.
Sri Sharda Group of Institutions, Lucknow, was established in the year 2011 with a noble vision of making quality professional education accessible for all. The institute since then has been progressing with steady steps toward the pious cause of enriching the talent pool of the nation.
The location of the institute is a great asset, located at Lucknow Sultanpur Highway, which is the fastest growing and developing area of booming Lucknow. Adjacent to IT City, industries like Amul, Triple IT, Ekana Cricket Stadium, and it is easily approachable from all corners of the state. The institute is approved by AICTE and affiliated to AKTU and Lucknow University. It offers courses like MBA, BBA, BCA, BCom and BA. Since infrastructure is the key determinant of development and contributes a lot to overall development of the students. 5 acres lush green, centrally air-conditioned and eco-friendly Wi-Fi enabled campus.
We at Sri Sharda believe that every child is special and every child is different. So our teaching pedagogy focuses on the need of every child. Teaching here at Sri Sharda is based on practical approach and goes beyond the wall.
The teaching learning process at SSGI creates a classroom both inside and outside for students. Knowledge is imparted in spacious and bright lecture rooms, well equipped with modern audio-visual systems. Experienced professors and specialists from diverse fields always ready to support their students, because they think at SSGI we do not just teach, we believe in awakening.
Faculties, they helped me a lot in my personal and my studies related problem, and I'm damn sure I'm gonna achieve everything whatever I want to just because of them. So I'm very grateful that I'm a part of Sri Sharda Group of Institute.
To give practical exposure to the student, we connect every student in the class through case studies, role plays, etc. We also have a special provision for doubt clearing session where every student gets a platform to clear their doubts even after the class hours.
I came into this college in 2017. The faculties are very good and the journey has been very awesome. Basically, this was the best decision of my life.
State-of-the-art computer lab equipped with advanced configuration systems supported by high-speed internet. Resource-rich library with e-learning facility like e-books, e-journals and recorded lectures. Well-equipped seminar hall for guest lecture, workshops and co-curricular activities. Boardroom provided with all required modern amenities for conducting mock training sessions for placement process.
We at Sri Sharda take immense pride and utmost care to ensure the 360-degree development of our students. Our students are our ambassadors, and we strive hard not only to develop their industry-specific skills set, but also leave no stone unturned for nurturing the underlying potential of our students.
Separate boys and girls common room for recreational activities. Hygienic canteen with healthy and homely food. Separate girls and boys hostel with modern amenities and CCTV surveillance. Safe and secure transportation service for SSGI students is available throughout the city. Tutorial room for students for doubt clearing sessions. Open air auditorium for various cultural and educational mega events. We establish the vital link between students and prospective employers to facilitate training and placement of students as they begin their career planning at Sharda Institute. Training and Placement Cell arranges mock interviews, group discussions, seminars, conferences and expert lectures that helps students to develop leadership, interpersonal and communication skills. We also organize industrial visits, summer internship and live projects for students in order to provide them practical exposure.
The placement process at Sharda starts from the very first day of its admission. Initially, we explore the interest of the students and then provide them job opportunities according to the student interest only.
I am very much satisfied with the journey at Sri Sharda. Students are not only placed in private sectors but also in government sectors.
We also get special classes of banking and competitive exams here.
APJ Kalam has rightly said that you have to dream before your dream comes true. So our quality education and TNP cell makes and prepare our students to dream big and stay committed to it until they realize it.
Various renowned organizations like HDFC Bank, Amazon, Gyan Milk, HCL, Shriram Finance, NIIT, Randstad, ICICI, Kotak, Genpact, Unicode, Sonata Finance, only to name a few, have successfully recruited our students over the years.
I am a student of MBA in Sri Sharda Group of Institutions. I am very happy to be here. There are many opportunities of placements and jobs in Sri Sharda Group of Institutions. The best part of Sri Sharda Group of Institutions is they conduct job fair every year.
As a part of our placement drive, we at Sri Sharda Group of Institutions organize job fair every year. Sri Sharda has made a remarkable placement in the year 2020 by placing more than 4,000 students from different colleges across UP in 60+ companies in Mega Job Fair 2020 conducted in collaboration with the government of Uttar Pradesh.
I'm selected in StarTech.
ये बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है यूथ के लिए जो यहाँ शारदा ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूट ने दिया है, जो इतने सारा कंपनीज आई हैं यहाँ पे इतने सारे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, सबके लिए अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़।
मेरा जो सिलेक्शन हुआ है वो है HDFC बैंक।
थैंक यू सो मच शारदा ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशंस फॉर गिविंग अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी। आई एम सेलेक्टेड इन फ्री बास्केट।
और मुझे यहाँ पे आके भी अच्छा लगा, मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस हुआ, मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा यहाँ से।
श्री शारदा हैज़ गिवन मी दिस प्लेटफॉर्म to start my first job.
We at Sri Sharda actively encourage students to let their minds achieve full potential in every direction. Sports arena with facilities is also there to emphasize the physical and mental well-being of the students. We also organize different cultural events at the campus to provide the students a platform to showcase and promote their talent.
With great power comes great responsibility, and we at Sri Sharda ensure our social contribution in the form of various CSR activities by our students such as traffic awareness, Sharda Sarang, Save River, Swachh Bharat and several others, with an aim to inculcate a sense of autonomy for decisions and prepare responsible citizen for the nation.
शारदा में मैंने अपनी बेटी का जो एडमिशन कराया उससे मैं बिल्कुल रिलैक्स, बिल्कुल संतुष्ट हूँ। मुझे नहीं लगता है कि कोई ये डिसीजन मेरा गलत था, बहुत अच्छा डिसीजन था, क्योंकि जब से मेरी बेटी श्रेयांश से उसमें गई है शारदा में, बहुत ही स्मार्ट, बहुत ही कॉन्फिडेंस उसके अंदर आया।
मैंने अपनी बेटी को श्री शारदा में एडमिशन दिलाया था। शुरू से लेकर आखिरी तक बहुत ही अच्छा सपोर्ट मिलता है टीचर्स का भी, और जब चाहे हम बच्चे के बारे में पूछ सकते हैं।
Addressing the security measures of the students, we are strongly focused and strongly concerned about the security of a girl child. To ensure the security of the girl child, appropriate security measures, CCTV surveillances are installed. We here goes out of the box to connect and understand the expectation of a parent. We visit every student's home to understand, to have a clear perspective about the needs, grievances of the student as well as their parents. For us, Sri Sharda is not just an institution but a family that connects all of us.
It has been an honor to serve the society at large. Also, I take this opportunity to thank all for the unending trust and the faith vested in Sri Sharda Group of Institutions, Lucknow.
Trust us to keep you prepared for your brighter future.